Jungle.
The closing remarks before we end this event. Here's Joint Commissioner of Police. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We can be a bit more louder with the applauses. Thank you. Of Informer Markets India. We couldn't thank you more for being here with us and for bringing this occasion with your absolute
amazing opportunity. For me, Pallavi, this is the first time, and I really think that over the last this phenomenal film of Informa, I think it's kudos to Informa that they do over 500 events, as Yogesh told me in the morning, different industries, and it's fantastic because over the years, जैसे आपने बोला कि your business has multiplied, and over the years things have grown up. The fact is there are new things here that you have noticed. But my only one urge to Yogesh would be that also use this platform, bring in fresh ideations from other businesses, which I'm sure you're doing, but also people. And my only urge would be that through these corridors, it's not just great product, there's great ideation. But when you look at your business in the next year, in the years to come, look at really these as Bibles of what you can create, what you can offer to your consumers. And I can tell you a great success is that in the first hour, I've opened the show with some buying. So there's some great creativity. Shape your businesses, but use this platform. It's not just to go and buy, but also to see what are new innovations, what are things to do, what are new kinds of people you can work with. But generally, this is a phenomenal platform. Congratulations again. I'm wishing everybody a phenomenal year of success. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. And welcome to all dignitaries on dais, Madam IPS. As Mahindra told, I cannot tell everybody's name. And just now I heard Mukesh telling times growth in the business because we are the jewelers who serve to Nizam of Hyderabad. And whatever jewelry even today we are selling, we go across the world and get the best pieces from the world and keep it our stock. And this is the trade, very honest and very reliable. Whatever jewelry we sell today, after a few years we can buy it back for 2 or 3 times. So we are the family from South, the Nizam of Hyderabad, the great Nizam of Hyderabad. He was the richest man in 1946, richest man of the world. So we are selling, and you see in front of me, Mahindra, Mukesh, and they are all like my younger brothers. They have grown so much times, and hundreds of boys I have seen. They have grown and they have got into business from different businesses. I am also into different businesses, but this is the most royal business where you can sit in 1,000 square feet and do crores of turnover. So this is very honest business, and whatever great Nizam. So that jewelry we have given 50 years back a piece to the family. Now we can take it back for maybe 20, 30 times more. More than gold, diamond, pearls, real gems. So we go on.
आसिन मीडिया, प्रिंटेड और मीडिया इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, आप सबका तेलंगाना में स्वागत है। हम लोग 15 साल से तेलंगाना बुलियन जेम ज्वेलर फेडरेशन आप लोगों के साथ में हैं इनके, और जितने ये 5 सालों में हमारा तेलंगाना डेवलप हुआ है आप लोगों की तरफ से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कई ज्वेलरी राजस्थान, केरला, अनेक देशों से यहाँ आते हैं, देखते हैं। डिस्ट्रिक्ट जैसा जब पहले डिस्ट्रिक्ट हमारा क्या था तेलंगाना, हम लोग बहुत गरीबी से उठ के आया है तेलंगाना। अभी जो तेलंगाना आप देख रहे हैं, ये सब आप जैसे ज्वेलर्स लोगों की बदौलत ही है कि आज डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऊपर आया है। मैं निस्वार्थ हम लोग ज्वेलर्स पूरे यूबीएम वालों का ये अभी जो हमारे योगेश जी, पंकज जी कई सालों से हमारे संपर्क में संबंध, पहले मेरे हमारे गुरु सूर्य प्रकाश राव थे, अध्यक्ष, मुझे याद है कि जब गांव में जाते थे आपके जो कार्य, तो टेलीफोन के अंदर उनको हम समझाते थे रिकॉर्डिंग में कि आप इनके एग्जीबिशन आओ देखो। तो मुझे ये अभी तक जितना डेवलप हुआ है और भी एग्जीबिशन आने दो, हमारा तो एक ही है कि आपका जितना ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीबिशन है वो हमने कहीं नहीं देखा। हमारा हैदराबाद डेवलप हो रहा है, हमको आप चाहिए। हम आपको निस्वार्थ कभी भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से पूरे हमने इस आज नहीं कम से कम 10 साल से हम लोग यहाँ पर मीटिंग कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने हम तेलंगाना का जो मीटिंग का मीटिंग है, सब डिस्ट्रिक्टों वालों को यही हमारा बोलना है कि भाई आप आओ। लेकिन जो ग्रुप अभी हमारा जो ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं, मिस्टर लौकिक आज 1 महीने से यहीं पर हैदराबाद में है। आप मानते नहीं हैं कि कितने रोड शो कर रहे हैं इन्होंने, हमने हमारे साथ में पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्टों में जाकर रोड शो कर रहे हैं इन्होंने, और हमने इनका सपोर्ट किया है। और हम ऐसे चीज़ वालों के, ऐसे आपके वास्ते हम हमेशा तैयार रहेंगे सपोर्ट करने के लिए। यही हम आपसे आशा रखते हैं कि आप तेलंगाना के हक तेलंगाना को दें। धन्यवाद।
I again apologize for being late because of some important issues to be dealt. I cannot make it, but somehow God is great. I was able to make it, though a little late. And it's really a pleasure for me to be here and being a part of this program. It's really good and seeing all the videos and the way in which the association has grown up, and especially the informal markets being a platform for bringing together all the people. Of course, Mr. Mahendra, I know only Mr. Mahendra, and of course now I know all of you because I've come here. It's a great time being here, and you all can also see that it's every different brains. I don't say that it's different pieces of jewelry here, but the different brains with creativity, innovation, new ideas, and also with a great heart and attitude of helping each other grow equally and even more than what you are. So this is the place and this is the time. I think these 3 days, you exchange your ideas, you exchange your values more than your ideas in bringing up each and everyone to be or to become what they can. And I also believe that everyone uses this great opportunity, which is in the city of Hyderabad, to grow and also help others grow. And I also welcome you to Hyderabad because, as I heard a few of the dignitaries saying, that everyone wants to be in Hyderabad. It's not just because the name Hyderabad is good or great, but really Hyderabad city is really great. The culture, the people, anywhere else other than in Hyderabad. And of course, the Hyderabad being the city of pearls, it's also famous for the Hyderabadi biryani, which people keep carrying to different parts of the country and also the world. I know people who carefully pack it, freeze it, and take.
Most, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Ji, for gracing with you to our guest of honor, Mr. Sachin Jain, for taking time out of his busy schedule. And
Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone. Join us. It's going to be a quick family picture. Yes, please. Everybody, come on, say cheese. It has to be a happy picture at the end of the day.
దీంట్లో ఎంతోమంది మన దక్షిణ భారతదేశం నుంచి తర్వాత ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి కూడా వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఈ షో ప్రదర్శన చేస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క డిజైన్స్, వాళ్ళ యొక్క జ్యువెలరీ అంతా కూడా ఇది మన మన రాష్ట్రానికి ముఖ్యంగా మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీకి ఒక మంచి అవకాశం. ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నందుకు బిజినెస్ కూడా చాలా పెరగడానికి ఉంటుంది. మరి హైదరాబాద్నే ఎందుకు కోరుకుంటున్నారు అని కొంతమంది వాళ్ళ యొక్క మాటల్లో మనం విన్నప్పుడు ఇది మనకు హైదరాబాద్ చాలా సేఫ్ సిటీ, తర్వాత ఎకనామిక్ గ్రోత్కి చాలా అనువైన స్థలం కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా, అంటే కేవలము జ్యువెలరీ వ్యాపారస్తులే కాదు, ఏ వ్యాపారి అయినా కూడా మనకి వ్యాపారాన్ని హైదరాబాద్లో పెట్టాలి అని ఆశపడతాడు. ఎందుకంటే ఇది సేఫ్ సిటీ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వ్యాపారాలు పెరిగినప్పుడు ఉపాధి పెరుగుతుంది. అంతేకాకుండా లివింగ్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ కూడా పెరుగుతాయి. మనకు మన రాష్ట్రానికి ఇది ఒక గొప్ప అవకాశం. అందరు కూడా ఇక్కడికి చేరిన వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ యొక్క బిజినెస్ని పెంచుకోవడమే కాదు, మన హైదరాబాద్ పేరును కూడా గొప్ప చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. దాన్ని బట్టి చాలా సంతోషం.
We have Jagdish Prasad Verma ji, who is sitting next to me, on my left, president of the. Sitting to my right is Hidil Vakil. She represents IBJA. She is chairperson of the IBJA Ladies Wing. And sitting next to her are our partners. HJMA is we have been our partners, founding partners for Hyderabad Jewelry Fair. So just to talk to you, and some of you have already heard.
हैदराबाद का एग्जीबिशन बहुत ही अच्छा है और बहुत ही मतलब सुपर है। कस्टमर भी बहुत अच्छा से मिलते हैं, वैरायटी बहुत नई नई मिलती है। हम लोग अभी 1985 से याद करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स, बहुत ही गुड रेस्पॉन्स हम लोग को। इसके ज़रिए हम लोग पूरे हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना, आंध्र में बिजनेस करते हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा है, 1990 से है। और इसके ज़रिए हम लोग पूरे आंध्र, हैदराबाद में अच्छी अच्छी है।
भैया हेलो लंबे वाली अच्छा लोकल न्यूज़
सैटेलाइट
Hyderabad Convention Center exhibition by the name of Royal Diamond Jewelry. We are dealing in diamond jewelry, in-house production. We give B2B also, and we are providing services since last 20 years here.
and we are located in North as well. The quality and the production is super fine. You can visit our stores F31 and we are here since 25 years in this industry. So kindly visit. Thank you. एक मिनट सर।
अच्छा अच्छा
We are into lab-grown diamonds and lab-grown poultry manufacturing jewelry. Also, lab-grown jewelry. Used diamond also. Used diamond. ये 3 साल हुए स्टार्ट किए हुए। हम लोग 50 साल से मैचिंग का काम करते हैं। अभी पिछले 6 साल से लेब्रॉन का नया चालू किया है, तो इसमें लेब्रॉन में हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सब कुछ इन हाउस है। और आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्टॉक देखने मिलेगा जो बहुत ही सुंदर है। इधर है, ये हम लोग सूरत बेस हो, हमारा USA में ऑफिस है, मुंबई में ऑफिस है और दुबई में भी ऑफिस है।
कुछ बाइट देते हैं, स्मॉल छोटा सा बाइट
बहुत से हमारे
भैया नमस्ते, छोटा सा बाइट देते हैं के बारे में।
The Hyderabad show, and we have a beautiful collection of lab-grown diamonds and lab-grown gold keys. And as you can see, it's a very good footfall. The exhibition is good, and please do visit us.
I'm Yogesh Mudras, welcoming you to this Hyderabad Jewelry Fair. This is the 16th year of this show. Started in 2007. It's one of the largest shows in the country, and this is over 350 exhibitors from across India and international are exhibiting some very unique designs of jewelry, which will cater to every taste as available. This is a B2B show. There are over 8,000 trade buyers expected to come to this show over this next 3 days from across India. There are international buyers coming in, and all the designs are going to be showcased across India in the coming festive and wedding season, and also international. They're going global also with these designs. So very happy that the state of Telangana supported us in this kind of major initiatives that we have taken over the years, and we love coming back to Telangana again and again. Thank you. Over 350 exhibitors are participating across India in this show. Of course, majority of them are South India because this caters to the South Indian market predominantly.